Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in the 8th standard mathematics. The topic is equations in one variable part 3. Friends, in this session we are going to discuss on the problems from the practice set 12.1 which have been remained. Friends, in the previous session of equations in one variable part 2, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics. And those are problems from the practice set 12.1 that are based on linear equation and solutions of the equation. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss on the remaining problems from the practice set 12.1. So, let us start with those. Problem number 2. Solve the following equations. And the problem is 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Here we have to find out the value of the p. So let us start. The given equation is 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Friends, on the left side, there should be only the variable. So we have to remove this minus 2 from the left side. So we have to add 2 on both the sides. So the equation will become now 17p minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 49 plus 2. Here minus 2 plus 2 get cancels and what left is only 17p, which will be 49 plus 2 is 51. Now we can write that 17 we have to be root out. So for that we can write divide both side by 17. 17p upon 17 will be equal to 51 divided by 17. So 17 get cancels and what you left is only p. Here 51 divided by 17, that gives you 3. So p is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Second, 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Here we can get the equation 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Therefore, 2m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 9 minus 7. That is subtracting 7 from the both side. Therefore, you will get 2m is equal to 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So now divide both side by 2. So 2m upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2. So what you are getting is m is equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Third one. Now here you can see 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. Friends, here in the given equation, there are variables on both sides, LHS as well as RHS. So first of all, we will remove this 12 constant side. So subtracting 12 from the both side, we will get that 3x plus 12 is minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 14. So friends, 3x will be equal to 2x minus 16. Now we will remove this 2x on from the right hand side. So subtracting 2x from both sides, you are getting that 3x minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 16 minus 2x. So here 2x get cancels from 3x minus 2x, it is x is equal to minus 16 is the solution of the given equation. Now we will continue with the next problem, that is 5 into bracket x minus 3 is equal to 3 into bracket x plus 2. Let us write the given equation. 5 into bracket x minus 3 is equal to 3 x plus 2. Friends, now we will solve this bracket. So we are getting 5 into x 5x minus 5 into 3 15 will be equal to 3 into x, that is 3x, and 3 into 2 is 6. So equation what you get after solving this bracket will 5x minus 15 is equal to 3x plus 6. So we'll remove this minus 15. So 5x minus 15 plus 15 is equal to 3x plus 6 plus 15. Means we are adding both sides 15. Since here it is a minus 15, we have to add. Therefore, you will get 5x is equal to 3x plus 21, 6 plus 15. Now we will remove or subtract both sides by 3x. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 21 minus 3x. From the right side 3x get cancelled, and on the left side 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, you are getting is equal to this 21. Now let us divide both sides by 2. So 2x upon 2 is equal to 21 upon 2. Therefore, you will be getting that x is equal to 21 upon 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now we will continue with fifth problem. 9x upon is 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. So friends, first of all we have to simplify this equation so that we will remove this first 1. So this 9x upon 8 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 1, subtracting 1 from both sides. Therefore, now dividing both sides, after this 9x upon 8 is equal to this 10 minus 1 is 9. Now we can multiply both sides by 8 upon 9. Here 9 upon 8 is there. In order to remove this coefficient of this x, we have to multiply by 8 upon 9. So 9x upon 8 into 8 upon 9 is equal to 9x into 8 upon 9. So here we will get 8 and 9 get cancelled from the left hand side, and then right hand side 9 get cancels, and what left is on the left side x, and then on the right side it is 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us continue with problem number 6. Y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Friends, let us write the given equation first. Y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, we will multiply the first term of the left hand side by this 3, and to the second term by the 7. Means we are going to find out from the left hand side the LCM, least common multiple. So LCM is the product of these two, since there is no common factor. So 7 into 3 is the LCM. So first term multiplied by 3 and the second by 7 at the numerator, and divided by 7 into 3, which will be equal to 2. So now it could be written as 3y plus 7y, and this minus 28, 7 into 4. So upon 7 3 are 21 is equal to 2. Now we can multiply to the both side by this. First simplify, after that we will multiply by 21. Therefore 7 3y plus 7y, that is 10y minus 28 upon 21 is equal to 2. Therefore multiply both sides by 21. So what left? Left hand side 21 get cancels. 10y minus 28 you are getting, and then the right hand side there is 21 into 2, that is 42. Now we will now remove this 21. So add both side 28. Therefore 10y minus 28 plus 28 is equal to 42 plus 28, and that gives you 10y is equal to 70. So divide both sides by 10. 10y upon 10 is equal to this 70 upon 10. Therefore you will be getting that y is equal to 7. It is the solution for the given equation. Now next we will consider problem number 7. 13x minus 5 is equal to this 3 by 2. So we'll write that equation first. 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 2. So multiplying both sides by 2, you are getting 13x minus 5 into 2 will be equal to 3 by 2 into 2. So from the right hand side 2 get cancelled, and you have to multiply the bracket. So 13 into 2, that will be 26x minus 10 is equal to 3. We will now remove this 10, add both sides 10. So 26x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 3 plus 10. So on the left hand side you are getting 26x is equal to 13. So now divide both sides by 26. What you will get? 26 upon 26 is equal to 13 upon 26. Here x coefficient is 26. Therefore you have been divided by 26. So you will be getting x is equal to 1 upon 2. It is the solution for the given equation. We will continue with the problem. 3 into bracket y plus 8 is equal to 10 into bracket y minus 4 plus 8. So let us write this equation as it is first. 3 into bracket y plus 8 will be equal to 10 into bracket y minus 4 plus 8. So friends, now let us simplify this bracket. We will multiply by 3 to the whole bracket. 3y plus 24 is equal to, at the right hand side also multiply with 10 to the bracket, 10y minus 40 plus 8. We will simplify this. 3y plus 24 is equal to 10 minus 32, minus 40 plus 8 is minus 32. Now we will remove this 24. What we will get? That 3y plus 24 minus 24 is equal to 10 minus 32 minus 24. So what left is 3y is equal to 10y minus 56. Now we'll remove this 10y. We'll see 3y minus 10y is equal to 10y minus 10y minus 56. So what left is minus of this 7y is equal to minus of 56. It can be written as 7y is equal to 56. The minus sign on the both side, after multiplication in minus 1 to the both side, that get cancelled. So 7y is equal to 56. Divide both side by 7. 7 upon 7y is equal to 56 upon 7, and what left is y is equal to 8 is the solution for the given equation. Now we'll continue with the ninth problem. X minus 9 divided by x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. Now we'll cross multiply to the both side. Before that, we'll write the equation for the solution. X minus 9 upon x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. So here it can be written 7 into bracket x minus 9 is equal to 5 into bracket x minus 3. Now multiply by 7 to the whole bracket to the left hand side and by 5 to the right hand side. So we'll get that 7x minus 63 is equal to 5x minus 25. Now we'll remove this minus 66, so add both side 63. 7x minus 63 plus 63 is equal to this 5x minus 25 plus 63. So on the left hand side, what left is only 7x, which will be equal to 5x plus 38. Now remove 5x from both sides, subtract. Therefore 7x minus 5x is equal to 5x minus 5x plus 38. So friends, here on the left hand side, 7x minus 5x is 2x, which will be equal to 38. So you will get that divide both side by 2. So 2 upon 2x is equal to 38 upon 2. Therefore you are getting that x is equal to 19 is the solution for the given equation. Now continue with the 10. Y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. Friends, for the starting the solution, we'll write this equation once again. Y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. So here what we have to do is multiply by 3 to all the terms. Means multiplying both side by 3 in short. So y minus 3 upon 3 into 3 and this plus 3y into 3 is equal to 4 into 3. So on the left hand side, for the first term 3 get cancels, and what left is y minus 4 plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 12. So let us simplify. Y plus 9y is 10y minus 4 is equal to 12. Now we have to remove this part, add both side 4. 10y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 4. So friends, what you left get is 10y is equal to 16. This 10 we have to be removed. So divide both side by 10. So 10 upon 10y is equal to 16 upon 10. Therefore y is equal to, for this simplification we will divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. Therefore y is equal to 8 upon 5 is the solution of the given equation. So let us try this one. B plus into bracket b plus 1 bracket complete plus b plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to 21. Now we'll write this problem once again. So b plus into bracket b plus 1 bracket complete plus into bracket b plus 2 bracket complete upon 4 is equal to 21. Friends, let us simplify. First remove this bracket. B plus 1 plus b plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 21. So here you could find that, let us simplify numerator of the first. B plus b, that is 3b plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 21. So remove this 4, multiply both side by 4. So what you are getting is 3b plus 3 upon 4 into 4 is equal to 21 into 4. So 4 get cancels, 3b plus 3 is equal to 84. Now remove this 4, add subtract 3 from both sides. 3b plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 84 minus 3. So here it is 3b is equal to 81. 84 minus 3 is 81. Now divide both sides by 3. And what you are getting is 3 upon 3 into b is equal to 81 upon 3. 3 get cancels, and what left is b is equal to 27 is the solution for the given equation. Friends, I think you understand all the problems. What we have been discussed today is remaining problems from the practice set 12.1 that are based on the linear equation and that of the solutions of the given equation. So friends, will you try these problems? Number 1, solve those. 5m plus 16 is equal to 3m plus 4. Second, 3 into bracket p minus 5 is equal to 5 into bracket p plus 3. 6m upon 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. Fourth one, y plus 4 upon y plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6. And the last, q plus 1 plus q plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 18. So these are very easy. Try them. You should not forget the famous words of Shakuntala Devi. See, very informative. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics, and everything around you is the numbers. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. With these words, I would like to say thank you.